Okay. Introduction. తర్వాత variables, data types, print function, type function, input function, id function, typecasting methods like int of, float of, string of, str of, and the list of, tuple of, set of. Okay, these are the typecasting methods. And after that, we jump into operators. And after that, we go to the conditions. And after that, we go through the loops. Then after that, we go with the functions. Then we go with the JSON data handling. Then we go with the file system. Then we go with the oops concepts. Then we go with the exception handling. Then we go with the validations. Then we go with the. So here in the data types, we have different kind of data. So string methods, list methods, tuple methods, set methods, dictionary methods like this. And after that, decorators, iterators. Okay, fine. So then we go with the libraries, different kind of libraries, like data analytics libraries, NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, Cbon, and we understand data science related libraries, scikit-learn, and we understand deep learning related libraries, something like Keras and Satva. And we discuss about web development related libraries. We go with Flask, we go with Django. And we discuss about web related fundamentals like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, even React also. So this is the content basically. This is content enough content. I will save the content. Desktop. I created a folder, right? This one. Okay. So Python content. Okay, I will share with you this content.
Okay.
Okay. So let us continue with the some other operators with the set and dictionary. So yesterday we are going with tuple now.
English tuples.
Let me go. So we are working with multiple operators with the set and again. Then we can go through the after the set. There is one more important concept. Some other methods we can able to attach for the set. Now what is the S1? Finally, what is S1? S1. I just want to execute this one. And here in this S1, I will be having some values. Let me see what are the values which are going to be available there. Okay, there is no object for S1. Let me define one set now. Define one set. Set one. Set one is equal to. I will define some values in this. Let me execute the set one. The execute set one, I can able to see some values. Okay, but for this set, you cannot able to do the operations like append and insert and delete and pop. These methods cannot work for the set. Why? Because uh, set is not like set is not having index. Set is not having index. That is the reason append, insert, delete, pop operations will not work. But set can have some separate operations. Set can have specific operations. What are that operations? What are that? You will be having a add method. Will be having a remove method. Okay, so append, insert, delete, pop. These methods cannot work with the set, but set can have a specific operations like add and remove. So I have the set one, right? I can able to add item for the set one. Okay, so set one dot add 100. If I want to add 100, I can able to add. I can able to add. Now, finally, what is the set one? I can able to see some values for the set one. Can you see add operator is working. Append is not working. Append is not working, but add is working. Okay. Append is different. Append is different. Add is different. What is the meaning of append is? Appending is going to be keeping on top of the stack. Append is going to be keeping value on top of the stack. So what is append actually? So you have some objects already, 0, 1, 2. What append is doing? Append is going to be adding the value on top of the stack. But add method is different. Add method is different. Add method, what is add method is doing? This is the set basically. This is the list. This is the list and tuple. Okay, fine. This is the list and tuple. For the list and tuple, you can do the append. But tuple append is not working. List append is working. But add, what is happening? You are adding some object somewhere in the set. Somewhere in the set, there is no index. I cannot able to receive this data. I cannot able to receive this data. Understand? It means I cannot able to get like a set of -1. If I say set of -1, indexing is not possible. Okay, set one of 0. Set one of 0 possible. Huh? We don't have index here. No index. If no index ante set one of 0 not possible.
Okay.
Okay, if no index ante set one of -1 also not possible. Set one of -1 also not possible. That is the behavior of the set. Set kuna behavior. Okay, but set one, I have set one finally. But what will happen for the add? Set one dot add. I want to add 101. Okay, I can able to add set one 101 and set one. Finally, set one is this. Now, add is okay. I want to remove. Then I want to remove. You can do the remove operation also for the set one.
Okay.
Okay, set one dot remove specific object you can remove. Suppose I want to remove the 101. Then print to the set one. After removing the 101, sorry, spelling mistake. Okay, I remove 101, and I can able to remove 100 also, or whatever the value you want to remove, you can able to remove. Set one of remove 100, then set one print. Okay, finally I can able to remove, I can able to add. Okay, two specific operations are there. Two specific operations like add and remove, but not append, insert, delete, pop. So that is the behavior of the set. That is the behavior of the set. Now let's move to the dictionary. So what is the behavior of the dictionary? Okay, dictionary is collection of key value pairs. Collection of key value pairs. And dictionary is curly braces. One more point. Dictionary, key and value separated with colon. Key and value separated with colon. And every key value pair separate with comma. Okay. And in dictionary no index. Index based, not index based. And dictionary add values by key name. Dictionary remove values by key name. So every operation you can able to perform, but only by the key name. Insert is not there. Just add and remove. That's it. Okay, let's define some dictionary. Let's define employee equal to name of the employee. Name of the employee is something like Srinivas, and age of the employer, qualification of the employee is something like MCA, and salary of the employee. I can define the salary of the employee. I can define. Okay, so something like 80,000. So I got the dictionary now. EMP is the dictionary now. Okay, I got the data. If I want to access the name, there is no index. So you cannot say like this. This is not works. This will not work out. Why? Because this is not index based. Kada? If it is not index based, you cannot give the zero like this. Zero ever. So then ఎలా చేయొచ్చు మరి? Name కావాలి. Dictionary నుంచి name కావాలి. Employee of name. When I specify name, what is the name now? When I keep EMP of name, I can get 3 names. If I want to see EMP of salary, I can able to get the salary. If I want to see EMP of qualification, I can able to get the qualification also. That's it. This EMP, I want to add some technologies. EMP dot or EMP of technologies. I want to add technologies. I want to add the technologies. Is equal to, so I can able to give Python, DataScience, AI. Okay, finally, what is the EMP then? So I can able to add the technology. But previously I got only name, qualification, salary. But what I'm doing now? I'm trying to adding the technologies also. So whenever you want to add the values, add the object, you need to go with the key based. Receiving the data also key based. Adding the data also key based. Everything will be on key based. Add. Okay, I want to remove technologies. Okay, EMP dot
Remove.
remove is not there. Delete. No delete. Remove. I say technologies. Maybe remove is also not there. Remove is not there. Explain the error. To remove object from dictionary. So here only the chat is available. You can go with that. There is a pop. there is a method like pop. Okay, so we can work on the pop method. చూడు నీకు ఏదైనా ప్రాబ్లం వస్తుంది ఇమ్మీడియట్గా చెప్పేస్తా, అడిగితే చెప్పేస్తా. పాప్ ఐ కెన్ సే టెక్నిక్. నీకు ఇష్యూ వచ్చింది అనుకో ఇమ్మీడియట్గా అక్కడ చెక్ చేసుకో కొలాబరేటర్. కొలాబరేటర్ ఈజ్ ఏఐ బేస్డ్ కాబట్టి అక్కడే నీకు చాట్ జీపీటీ లాగానే వర్క్ చేస్తుంది. సో నౌ ఐ గాట్ రిమూవ్డ్. Pop is a method. Pop is a method. Pop is a method to remove specific value based on key. ఏదైనా based on key చేయాల్సిందే తప్పదు. So these are the 4 different ones. What has happened? Okay, already removed. అందుకే మళ్ళా రిమూవ్ చేయడానికి ట్రై చేస్తున్నా ఒకటి. ఓకే, రిమూవ్ నేమ్, రిమూవ్ క్వాలిఫికేషన్, సో క్వాలిఫికేషన్ కూడా వెళ్ళిపోయింది. నా నేమ్ అండ్ సాలరీ. Okay, in that way you can able to operate the dictionary. Okay, let me tell you the clear differences between all these collections. We have multiple collections. One second, just give me one second. Okay, so we have 4 different kind of objects. Okay, let me go with one by one. First of all, I want to go with the list objects. And I can go with the tuple. Then I can go with the set. Then I can go with the dictionary. Just understand what are the different kind of operations which can able to perform in the different scenarios. So what are the operations we can able to perform in the list, and what are the operations we can able to perform in the tuple, and what are the operations we can able to perform in the set, and what are the operations we can able to perform in the dictionary. Is it clear? Okay, one by one. One by one we'll see. Okay, first I go with the list. Let me give the points here. Okay, list starts with square braces, ends with square braces. Then one more point. List is mutable. And list can hold any kind of data. Okay, in real time, mostly list is homogeneous values. In real time, mostly homogeneous values. Ante salaries gaani, prices gaani, marks gaani, it's kind of all integers are, all strings are, or names, list of names, list of cities, list of marks, list of salaries. So something like that. If you want, you can go with the list in the real time. And list can able to perform append, delete, pop, and insert, indexing, all these things. And why? Because of list follows index. Come to the tuple points. Tuple starts with parenthesis, ends with parenthesis. Okay, and one more point. Tuple is immutable. And one more point. Tuple follows index. tuple follows index, and tuple can index it. And one more point, tuple have no operations, like append, pop, delete, insert. Yeah, tuple don't have this kind of operations. And one more point, we can able to work with the plus operator. You can able to work with the star operator for the list. At the same time, you can able to work with the plus operator. You can able to work with the star operator for the tuple also. Am I clear? And let me come to the set here. So set starts with curly braces, ends with curly braces. Set not follows index. Set is mutable. It means add operator will work and remove operator will work. Okay. For set, append will not work, insert will not work, delete cannot work. Set is unordered collection. Unordered collection. And come to this point, this is ordered collection. Tuple is ordered collection. Basically, tuple is ordered collection. So when I say ordered collection అని ఎప్పుడు చెప్తానో అప్పుడు ఇండెక్స్ ఉన్నట్టు అర్థం. సో ఆర్డర్డ్ కలెక్షన్ అంటే ఇండెక్స్ ఉంది అని అర్థం. అన్ఆర్డర్డ్ కలెక్షన్ అన్నాను అంటే ఇండెక్స్ లేదని అర్థం. బట్ ఇది సెట్ ఈస్ అన్ఆర్డర్డ్ కలెక్షన్, నో ఇండెక్స్. Okay, so let's try to work with the plus operator and star operator for the set. Okay, we already have the set together. Let me go for the set. Yeah, set is there. Okay, let me try to work with the set1 plus set1. Set1 plus set1. So plus operator is working or not, we will try to understand. No, plus is not working. Plus is not working. At the same time, star operator, let me try. Set into 2. 2 times I want to populate the set. Not working. So again, you can give the answer for that. So plus star also not works. Not works. Finally, come to the dictionary. Dictionary అంటే ఏంటి? డిక్షనరీలో ఏముంది? Dictionary starts and ends with okay. And dictionary is collection of key value pairs. Key value pairs. Key and value separated with colon. Key value pair separated with comma. One more point. Add pop methods will work. This is not method actually. Add is not method. Okay, so methods will work. Or we can able to add values and remove values. You can able to add values, remove values by key, by key name. And here also plus operator, star operator will not work. Okay, so this architecture is actually telling to you. This architecture is clearly telling to you data types. So again, this diagram is clearly telling to you what is the list, what is the tuple, what is the set, what is the dictionary. Clear picture.
Okay.
Don't confuse. Okay, there is no concept of confusing, but you have to do practice well. When you do practice well, then you can able to understand all the concepts.
Okay.
Let me jump into the operators. Okay, ఇంతవరకు అయిపోయింది. Now we have to move to the operators. Now let me go to the operators. Okay, what are the operators in Python? Arithmetic operators, relational operators,
Logical operators.
Logical operators. Any programming language, these operators are common. And one more thing, assignment operator
Twice.
and concatenation operator. And here membership operator. And increment decrement operator. Yeah, so these are the different kind of operators we try to understand. So first we go with arithmetic operators. First we go with arithmetic. Maybe this notes coming కదా ఈమెయిల్ కోసం డ్రైవ్ కోసం.
Okay.
ఇప్పుడు జూపిటర్లో నేను చేస్తున్న కొలాబరేటరీ నీకు షేర్ అవుతుంది ఆల్రెడీ. చూసుకున్నావా? షేర్ అవుతుంది. సో నేను రోజు రాస్తున్నా కదా, నోట్స్ రాస్తున్నా కదా, దట్ విల్ బి షేర్డ్ విత్ యూ. సో అర్థమెటిక్ ఆపరేటర్స్, ప్లస్ ఈస్ దేర్, మైనస్ ఈస్ దేర్, స్టార్ ఈస్ దేర్, స్లాష్ ఈస్ దేర్, double slash is there, double star is there. What is the plus there? Plus is for addition and minus for subtraction. Star for multiplication. Slash for division. And double slash for floor division. Double star. Double star for opponent. And percentile. Percentile for remainder. Okay, so these are the different operators we have for the arithmetic operations. So let's try to work out with the different arithmetic operators. Okay, 2 plus 3, the kind of addition. This is a kind of addition. Next, 10 minus 5, subtraction. Next, 34 into 67. This is a multiplication. This is a multiplication. Next, 67 divided by 5. This is division. Next, 67 double slash 5. This is floor division. Floor division does not have the decimal points. Floor division does not have a decimal points. Just 13. only floor value will come. Dot 4 will not be there.
Okay.
Dot 4 is not available. Only floor value will come. That is the floor division. Okay, and 567 percentile 5 remainder value. You can see that this is called a modulus operator. Modulo operator. What is this operator? Is giving you remainder. So remainder is 2. So 5 will go in 567 for multiple times. Then on 2 is the only remainder for me. అంటే ఎలా ఇది 567 5 ones are 5. Okay, 5 ones are 5 and 5 ones are 5 27 5 5s are అంతేనా 5 ones are 5 అంతే కదా దెన్ 5 2s are 10 ఇప్పుడు 2 మిగిలింది కదా జస్ట్ మీరు ఐడియా ఉంది కదా ఇది చేసుకోవడం
Mm, mm,
567 ఇలా 5 తో డివైడ్ చేయడం
okay.
5 ones are 5
5
దెన్
ones are 5.
0 is
67.
there అంటే 5 ones are 5 అండ్ ఒకసారి చూసుకో ఆపరేషన్స్
Okay, sir.
సో దిస్ is one operator. Let me go with one more operator. 3 to the power of 3 to the power of 5. This is something like opponent value. Opponent operator. And 3 to the power of 5. How this is working? It is working like 3 to the power of 5. And 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3.
Mhm.
3 3 to the
Okay.
power of 5. So that is a double star operator. So these are the different kind of arithmetic operators. And you will be having complex values also. Suppose 10 plus 3 brackets minus 5 into 6. Okay. So this is a combination. When you have the combination, you know the BODMAS rule, right? Okay. Brackets first, then opponents, then division. This is the priority of the operations. Then division. Division is there. Then multiplication. Then addition. Then subtraction. Okay. When you have the big statement like this, in big statement, BODMAS rule will apply. అంటే బ్రాకెట్స్ ఫస్ట్ తీసుకుంటాయి బ్రాకెట్స్ లో ఉన్న డేటా ఫస్ట్ తీసుకుంటాం తర్వాత అపోనెంట్స్ ఏమైనా ఉంటే చెక్ చేసుకుంటాం తర్వాత డివిజన్స్ తర్వాత మల్టిప్లికేషన్ తర్వాత అడిషన్ తర్వాత సబ్ట్రాక్షన్ బేస్డ్ ఆన్ దట్ ఐ హ్యావ్ ద వాల్యూ లైక్ దిస్ ఓకే సో దీస్ ఆర్ ద అథమెటిక్ ఆపరేటర్స్ సో రిమైనింగ్ ఆపరేటర్స్ ఏమున్నాయి రిలేషనల్ లాజికల్ ఇవన్నీ రేపు కంప్లీట్ చేయాలి
Okay.
సో క్లియర్ కదా